How to moderate filtered comments on TikTok. Start out on your profile page. From here, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. A little box will pop up. At the bottom, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy. You want to scroll down to the Interaction section, then tap on Comments. From here, go all the way to the bottom to this Comment Management section. Then, tap on Review Filtered Comments. Once it loads, you can see that I have one here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that by tapping on it. And this is just a little test comment I made for the purpose of this video, but here you can either approve the video, approve the comment, or delete the comment if you don't want it to be posted publicly. Now, until you press either approve or delete, this comment will not appear on the video. I'm going to go ahead and approve this one. You can see a little confirmation pops up. This is also important to keep in mind. If you tap the delete button, as you can see, there is no confirmation. So be careful not to tap it on accident. Anyway, that's it. Before you go, check this out.